Hello everyone. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Strava weekly on settings. Then we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then we will search about the application of Strava and we click here. In this page of app info we click on first stop and we click OK. Then we'll enter to the window of storage. Here we click on clear cache. Then we go to Play Store. You will search about the application of Strava. Here you will uninstall your app and you can install it again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching.